Hello, YouTubers and friends. Welcome to my channel, and now I'm going to teach you how to install or reformat a new fresh copy of a Windows in your computer desktop. This is our motherboard here, and this motherboard is for our demonstration only. Processor inside here is E4, and our hard drive, the 80 gig capacity, and our DVD drive and the 7 is already inside our DVD in here. Now all we need to do is to power on our motherboard so that we can bring the BIOS menu in our monitor. Switch on the power supply, and need to power on the motherboard. Now, as you can see, the fan is spinning. We need to press delete here to bring the BIOS setup in our screen. So gigabyte, and then all we need to do is to locate the booting setup and BIOS features here. So as you can see, boot option 1 and boot option 2. We need to set our DVD drive into first boot option 1. Press enter and select the drive DVD. As you can see, press enter, power up, select the DVD drive and press enter again, and then save and exit. Windows are restarted. Windows is now loading. As you can see, our DVD is ready. And our screen, Windows is loading files. Almost done. Again, this video is for beginners only. Press next. Install now.